We're checking out one of the best kept secrets in Durham, North Carolina, the Eno Quarry, today on Greatness Outdoors.
All right, welcome to Greatness Outdoors. I'm here just outside of Durham, NC with the dogs hollering at the Eno Quarry Trail with my buddy Josh here from Gibbers Plays Airsoft. You can check out his channel. He's got some cool airsoft stuff and some outdoor stuff too if you want to check him out, but really cool channel. But anyway, we're here with the dogs. There's a really nice rock quarry out here. It's one of the hidden gems of Durham. You got to come check it out. So we're gonna go hit this trail up, show you what it's all about. Let's roll.
All right, so as we get there, there is a gated parking lot that does close at nighttime, but there are plenty of places to park. There is a nice display board at the start of the trail with information and maps for you, as well as copies of trail maps to take with you on this 1.5 mile journey. Now that we've seen all this, let's get going.
Well, the trail appears to be pretty nice. It's pretty well kept. The leaves are pressed down really good and broken up. I feel like probably a lot of people walk on this trail, so you don't have a lot of loose leaves and things. They're kind of packed down, but great trail so far. We've seen a few people walking by, and it's just a really nice day. A lot of pretty trees, good scenery out here. Just keep on walking. All right, so we're coming up on a warning sign here, talking about no swimming, diving, any of that stuff. As you can see here, a lot of people don't pay attention to this. A lot of people do swim here. I'm not going to today, but you know, it is not advised to swim here. You're not supposed to, but a lot of people don't pay attention to the signs. So just so you know, yeah, people will swim here, but caution. All right, we are just getting here to the quarry. Let's check it out. Walk over this little stream here. And the dog's taking her first opportunity to go swimming. We'll need a bath when we get home. Here it is. Eno Quarry.
When we came up the hill and finally saw this place, I was like, man, I really want to go swimming here. It just looks like the greatest place to swim, and I can see why so many people come here. But being as it was December, I did not go swimming today. Maybe next time. Isn't it amazing how pretty and green this water is? I can't believe I'm just now finding out about this place after being from Eastern North Carolina and living here for a good chunk of my life. So let's get walking again and check out a little bit more of this awesome place.
All right, so if you look across the way over here, you'll see kind of a little cliff across here, and this is the swimming spot. That is where the people like to jump in and go swimming, even though the signs say don't. But yeah, that's apparently the spot to go. Nobody's swimming today because it's in the fall, but yeah, I'm gonna have to come back here and check this out, even though the signs say don't to. But yeah. All right, so as you can see here on this side, we've got you know, the stream, and here's where the water's coming from, and then they've dammed it up here where we're walking to create the quarry here, fill in the quarry on the other side. So kind of got water on both sides here, but this of course being the much deeper one where all the rocks were dug out of.
So we kept walking to another little flat place here at the quarry. Let me tell you a little bit more about this spot.
All right, so I'm at a pretty cool place on the quarry here, the log pile. From what I told, this is the place to come to when you come swim out here in the summer. These logs you can actually take and go out into the middle of the quarry and float around on a log. So it's like, you know, you're the coolest person here if you got the biggest log in the quarry. So if you want to come be the king of the quarry, you got to get here early to get one of these logs. And here's where you can find them. Looks like quite a bit. With the lack of rain we've got, you can see all of them. Water's down pretty good.
But we're not trying to be Lord of the Logs today, so let's keep rolling and check this place out some more.
All right, folks, that's it. We've covered the whole 1.5 miles to the Eno Quarry. We've seen the quarry. Looks like a pretty awesome place. Definitely want to come check this out in the summertime. Come swimming up here. Anyway, I'm going to leave a link to it in the description so you guys can figure out where it is if you want to check it out. Thanks so much for watching. We got a lot of really cool adventures coming up. I think the next few things I've got coming are from stuff out in Colorado, so be sure to subscribe if you don't want to miss that. Thanks so much for watching, folks. We'll see you next time on Greatness Outdoors.